machines coming.
That's right.
Oh, what a thing.
Yes, so that is
Can
why
I
we
have,
have.
can I have some couple of the stones?
Yeah. Yeah,
I
that's
can
right.
use.
Yeah, you can cut it when they cut it, you can take it. Follow all the rules. So we have the hand sanitizer, a pile of them. So we have volume of people coming in. So, yeah. Yeah, that's what I made earlier.
Oh, okay, you've got to eat quick. Here, quick.
Yeah.
Come on, Reach, what are you doing?
Hey,
You're very hot.
Request our treasurer here to say a few words, please.
Yes, we know the Commissioner for the last 4 years. I think there's an excellent relationship between Commissioner, the community, and as well as the QPS that's basically based on the Gold Coast. Commissioner, we wish you everything of the best. This place is always welcoming to you. It's open. Plan your trip to Brisbane in such a way that you can stop here on a Friday, pick up your lunch, either going up or going down, and we'll all be happy to see you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I don't have much to say. Brother Habib already mentioned major portion of my speech, but again, as I mentioned on last Tuesday at the dinner, when we first met him, we had a good impression about him, but after a while, we came to know him and we found out he's very approachable. He made the initiative to go out and meet every one of our community leaders. This is not his first time he came to the mosque, it's been several times, and he's always been in touch. And I can't forget the time he came over to my place and do a cooking show. Thank you so much, and this is what an exemplary of leadership is. You must be in contact with the community. It's very, very important. After all, we need to have a good relationship between the QPS and the general public. And on behalf of the Islamic community of the Gold Coast, we would like to present you with a plaque, and I'll read out the plaque. It says, Appreciation Award presented to Assistant Commissioner Brian Wilkins of Queensland Police Services in recognition of your outstanding services to the people of Queensland and for forging a close working relationship between QPS and various Islamic communities in Queensland. So thank you so much, Brian. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the invitation to attend here today, and thank you for the lovely meal. I always enjoy coming to the mosque and not only engaging with you guys, but actually joining you for a meal. It's been sensational. Since the day one that I got down here, only 4 years ago, there was two things that were on my mind. Was that look after my people that actually do the job, and secondly was engage with the community. And I think in the last 4 years I've achieved that. Thank you very much for your kind words, but the relationship goes both ways. I really appreciate the opportunity to actually feel part of your mosque.
Right.
And it's certainly, to me, certainly not a chore. I actually enjoy coming here,
Right.
and I will actually time my trips, because I just made a comment that I don't think I'm going to get the opportunity to get food like this anywhere in Ballina. But I'll be coming up this way quite frequently, and I'll make sure I do that on a Friday. So just from my perspective, thanks very much for actually allowing me into your community,
Right.
and the relationship that, as I said, that goes both ways in the organisation. Be assured that relationship will continue. Reese and Scott and Chasey, they're full time down here,
Right.
and so they'll continue with that. And of course, whoever is my replacement will actually has to pass the test through me. And I've already spoken to Katarina in relation to my thoughts in relation to the style of person that she needs to actually place down here. So
Right.
on that note, thanks for the last 4 years. I don't know where the 4 years has gone. It's been crazy.
It flew.
Thanks for everything that you do, not only Hussein, but the whole of the community do for other members of the community, particularly those in hardship,
Yeah.
and those that actually need support, and homeless and that sort of thing. We've just seen again all the furniture down here that's going to
Lismore.
to our colleagues in Lismore tomorrow. Like that township is just absolutely wiped off the map. And to have a mattress or something as basic as that to sleep on is really going to be appreciated by the community down there. So I was saying, thanks for the kind words, thanks for the relationship, and you will see me again in the future.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you.